Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this video, I will explain what is a 3D print object and what is a 3D printer. And no, those questions are not dumb because it's not easy to understand without having the global concept. 3D printing is turning this into this. It's simply creating a real object based upon what you have on the screen, your own creation or something that you download. The object will be created by a 3D printer, for example the Creality CR10 V2. It's a printer working with filament, most of the time filament of plastic. The brain of your 3D printer will be the part with the electronic alimentation, the motherboard and the screen to control your print. Then, to create your print, you will have to feed your 3D printer with a material, in this example a filament of white plastic. This filament will follow its way in order to go to the extruder of the 3D printer. The plastic will go on to high temperature and will be able to be extruded on the bed of the 3D printer, forming the shape of your object. And as you can see, the shape is created because the bed and the extruder are moving through the three axes of 3 dimensions thanks to the movement controlled by the motherboard. You can decide to print with various color filaments like a red one, a gray one. Of course, you can decide the size of your object. You can print with other materials like silk plastic, like rainbow plastic, like metallic plastic, red or blue. You can decide to print in marble-like plastic. If you decided to create an object with various colors, you can print it in white and then you can paint it. You can add varnish, you can add sparkling, you can do what you want on plastic. Here you have some example of my previous realization and you will have specific videos about my workflow doing it. You can also decide to cut your object and to print the various parts of the object in different color, and then maybe you can transform your object into a lamp, for example, or this one with the white and black printing. You can even print a magic storage box if you want and if you have a little knowledge about Arduino. As you can see, your only limitation will be your imagination.